Over the past 10 years, I've delved headfirst into the realm of finance and money. This journey has led me through the corridors of finance degrees, the intricacies of accounting qualifications, and a thriving career in the world of investment banking. Along this path, I've unearthed one of the most transformative skills, the art of managing my own finances. It's about recognizing and dismantling those detrimental money habits that often shackle individuals. Today, I'm here to share with you 9 of the most prevalent bad money habits that hold people back, along with practical advice on breaking free from their grip. Number 1. A concept that struck me while reading Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad is paying yourself first. This financial blueprint is a cornerstone of achieving true financial freedom. Kiyosaki draws a distinction between the habits of the wealthy and the financially challenged. The latter often pay themselves last, immediately spending their earnings on bills, subscriptions, and social plans. However, the former pay themselves first, setting aside a minimum of 10% into savings as soon as their paycheck lands. Make this a non-negotiable practice, akin to paying a crucial bill. Number 2. Debt seems to have become a societal norm, with people swiping credit cards for even the smallest purchases. Yet, unless you can afford to pay for something outright with cash, avoid debt like the plague. Credit card interest rates average at a staggering 22%, wiping out any rewards or benefits you might gain. Credit card companies thrive on financial mismanagement, and it's essential to break free from their clutches. Number 3. Taxes are a substantial expense, but savvy individuals use legal corporate structures and tax advisors to minimize their bills. Educate yourself about tax rules and strategies that align with your financial goals. For instance, investing through a tax-advantaged account can significantly impact your overall tax liability. Number 4. Ignorance about your financial inflows and outflows is a surefire way to hinder your financial growth. It's imperative to gain clarity on your starting point. Lifestyle inflation, where spending rises proportionally to income, can trap you in a cycle. Combat this by understanding where your money is going and create a clear financial plan. Know your assets, liabilities, and set precise financial goals. Number 5. One of the fundamental steps is creating a financial buffer. Remember point 1, paying yourself first? This ties into establishing a financial cushion. Set aside a substantial sum, ideally 6 months' worth of expenses, before delving into investment ventures. With this financial safety net, you can confidently explore investment opportunities without risking your stability. Number 6. Delaying investments can undermine your financial progress. The sooner your money starts working for you, the better. Learn about diverse investment strategies to protect your finances from the inevitable fluctuations of life. Number 7. Frivolous spending on hobbies can bleed your finances dry. To escape this trap, focus on saving more of your current income and expanding your income streams. Striking a balance between these two actions will propel your financial journey. Bear in mind that the potential to make more money is virtually limitless, while the saving side has an eventual cap. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not linear. It's an intricate dance between earning more, spending mindfully, and investing wisely. As you embark on this journey, stay open to learning and adapting your strategies. You've got this. If you're interested in a detailed exploration of any of these topics, drop a comment below. Here's to your financial freedom. Here's to a rich life.